Oh man, I do not feel good. And there aren't any subs. So look, we need someone to run this virtual meeting for the news hour. Can it be you? Please, we're in a jam. We need your help. We need someone to run the meeting.
Hi, I'm Adriana.
I'm Link.
And we did research on James E. West. James West and Gerhard co-invented the foil electron microphone in 1962.
90% of microphones used in everyday items are based on the foil electric microphone. These items include telephones, hearing aids, camcorders, body monitors, and audio devices, among many others.
In 2006, he won ASA Gold Medal and won National Medal of Technology and Innovation. In 2018, James won John Scott Medal.
He co-founded the Association of the Black Laboratory Employees and played a crucial role in the founding of both the Corporate Research Fellowship Program and the Summer Research Program.
He is currently working on a device to detect pneumonia in infant lungs.
Okay, hi, I'm Sanaya, and this is
Tiggy.
and we're in the halls asking Valentine's questions. So, my first question for you is, would you rather be gifted 100 chocolates or gifted 100 roses for Valentine's Day?
100 chocolates, hand down. Hands down.
Do you have a reason for that?
Yes. I like chocolate.
Okay, that's a good reason. Okay,
Roses.
do you have a Valentine's?
No, I don't. Maybe I do.
Whoa.
Hi guys, I'm Pan Singh and I'm here with
Miss Perkins.
and so the next question we have is, if you were to have an ideal Valentine's date, who would it be?
So my husband and I actually talked about this, and we're gonna celebrate Valentine's Day by I get to teach him how to do some budgeting stuff, and he's gonna teach me how to play Minecraft.
Oh wow, different
Yep.
interests, but it's great.
Yep, it works.
Hi, Sanaya. What are your names?
My name is Nikki.
My name is Anastasia. Nice to meet you. Okay. My first question is, would you rather only eat white foods or only eat red foods?
What are we talking about? Like meats or like candies?
Like, I guess red foods would be meats, yeah. And then white foods would be like cauliflower,
Rice.
rice, white foods.
I'm gonna say white food.
Do you have any reason?
I love rice. Is good.
Okay. Second question. Would you rather only write in Shakespearean or only speak in Shakespearean?
Right. Because nobody understands. I don't think I understand either. So.
Miss Cynthia won Staff of the Week.
I did? Thank you so much. Wow, this is so exciting. The Staff of the Week award. I'd like to thank all the students and staff, whoever voted for me to win this award. Thank you so much.